Delhi's capital, staring at monsoon mayhem yet again. Unless the city's waterlogging hotspots are given an urgent infrastructure boost before the rains hit. This may be easier said than done. The government says a more robust identification process has led to a big, over 100% jump in the number of potential waterlogging hotspots in the city. This makes the challenge to prevent waterlogging even tougher. With the monsoon days away, Delhi's preparedness is hardly ideal. But with the monsoon just around the corner, Delhi's preparedness is hardly ideal.
We are here at Rajghat, one of the key stretches of the ring road. With the monsoon expected to arrive by June 24, this area is still grappling with incomplete road construction and drainage desilting work. The roads here have been dug up for repairs and storm water drain cleaning, but the pace is slow, and with barely hours left before rainfall begins, locals are worried that this will lead to flooding and traffic chaos. As the city braces for the arrival of monsoon on June 24, we are right now at the ITO, which is considered to be one of the most busiest juncture of Delhi. It connects to Noida and central Delhi. We will show you some ground pictures from here as well. This reveals construction debris, half cleared storm water drains and dug up pavements that are raising alarm about the city's monsoon preparedness. This high traffic zone, a lifeline for thousands of office goers and daily commuters, currently resembles a construction site. Right now we're at the DDU mark where a similar situation can be seen. This is the road that leads to Minto Bridge and Paharganj, two hotspot areas where waterlogging situation can be seen every monsoon. Minto Road bridge that was undergoing a construction has been completed, but this is the road that leads to Minto Road, and this is what the situation looks like here on ground.
One issue was to be pinpointed. It's definitely to do with outdated systems, because the city has grown, the infrastructure demands have grown, but actually the infrastructure network still remains the same, which is way outdated, both in terms of material, in terms of capacity, in terms of even the technology. People are actually cleaning up their home and the garbage is come and thrown out there into the open drain. We need to do things ourselves also if we want to have less problems in our lives, if we want to make our cities more livable.
Drains तो clean हो रहे हैं, पर ड्रेन्स क्लीन होने के बाद वो जो गंद वगंद जो निकलता है वो साइड पे खड़ा कर देते हैं। वो साइड से वो क्लियर साइड के साइड मतलब इमीडिएटली हो जाना चाहिए। तो उम्मीद है गवर्नमेंट लगी है, हम भी उम्मीद करते हैं इस बार ये अच्छा बीते हैं।
The Delhi government minister in charge told NDTV that officials need another 10 days to make things better. But a complete overhaul will take some time.
आपने देखा पिछली बार बारिश हुई तो मिंटो ब्रिज नहीं भरा। हमारे जितने वाटर लॉगिंग के पॉइंट्स थे हमने उसको 3 कैटेगरी में डिवाइड किया। एक हमारे शॉर्ट टर्म प्लान्स हैं जो हमने 1 से 1.5 महीने में सारी समस्याओं को ख़त्म किया। एक हमारे मिड टर्म है जिसमें 6 महीना लगेगा। एक हमारे लॉन्ग टर्म है जिसमें हमको बड़ी बड़ी ड्रेन्स डालनी है, वो 1 से 1.5 साल का काम है। तो ये तीनों हमारे जितने भी वाटर लॉगिंग के पॉइंट्स हैं, जितना भी डिसिल्टिंग का काम है, जितना हो सकता था उतना वार फुटिंग पे हमने किया। बाकी ये पूरा कंटिन्यू रहेगा, मॉनसून के बाद में भी कंटिन्यू रहेगा।
445 water logging hotspots and very less time to act. As the monsoon approaches Delhi, the main question that remains is, will this be another year of submergence, or will the people living in Delhi finally find a solution to their waterlogging problems? With camera person Ritvik Gugnani, this is Anushka Garg for NDTV.